Hello, my friends. Happy Tuesday night to all of you. So, my friends, it has been confirmed that the next round of $1,000 stimulus payments will begin to be sent out this year. Top Democrats, including Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer and House Speaker Nancy Pelosi, have made it very clear that they want to pass a fourth stimulus package soon. Friends, please make sure that you watch until the end of this video to learn if you will be eligible for a $1,000 check. Also know that I'll be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sundays. To enter the giveaways, all you have to do, friends, is click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more often you comment below a keyword from a video, the greater your chance of winning the $75 gift card. These days, millions of Americans are struggling under the weight of rampant inflation. This especially holds true for those who are not in particularly high-paying careers. First responders commonly fit this bill. Though the pay scale can vary, first responders don't always earn the highest wages. That can make it difficult to build up savings, stay out of high-interest debt, and generally make ends meet during periods when living costs are much higher. But one state is now looking to reward first responders in the form of a $1,000 stimulus payment, and that money could come in handy at a time when everything is so expensive. Florida Governor Ron DeSantis has just approved a $100 million allocation from the state's new budget for the first responder stimulus payments. Under his proposal, firefighters and paramedics, emergency medical technicians, will also be in line for a $1,000 bonus payment per person. This goal of providing these payments to first responders is to ease the financial burden that first responders may be facing today, given that their wages may not be the highest. In addition to the $1,000 payments, Governor DeSantis is also looking to greenlight a program that would give every newly employed law enforcement agent in Florida a $5,000 bonus. Plus, he also wants to raise salaries for county sheriffs. Now, for those $1,000 checks to go out to first responders, the Florida governor has to formally review and approve the state's most recently proposed budget. But it's clear that Ron DeSantis wants to reward first responders as soon as possible. Millions of Americans are struggling these days with the higher cost of living. But the good news, friends, is that many U.S. states are trying to take matters into their own hands. Different states are working on different incentive programs in an effort to help residents manage during these financially tricky times. The extent to which states are able to provide aid to individuals will hinge heavily on what their budgets, expenses, and revenue looks like. But it's not surprising that more states are trying to step up and send out their own state stimulus checks. Friends, the keyword for this video is Clementine. If you would like to enter tomorrow's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos, and then comment below this keyword, which is Clementine, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Millions of Americans were eligible for the child tax credit payments from July through December of 2021. This was made possible through the enhanced child tax credit for the 2021 fiscal year. Due to budget restraints, the major revamp of the 25-year-old tax provision was only temporary, but there were hopes that it would be made permanent eventually. A one-year extension was included in the Build Back Better bill that the House passed last year. Democrats have been trying to revive negotiations on the proposal and other spending measures since Senator Manchin said on Fox News that one of his demands to extend the child tax credit is implementing a work requirement. Under the American Rescue Plan, one of the changes made the credit fully refundable, which allowed those without any earned income to enjoy the benefit of monthly payments to stabilize their household finances. The result was that childhood poverty dropped by nearly 40%. But the payments especially pulled children out of deep poverty. Senator Manchin reportedly told his colleagues behind closed doors that parents would misuse the monthly payments instead of spending the money on childcare. However, research into how the child allowance was spent showed that families used it for necessities. A work requirement would deny the monthly payments to households where the only income is from a parent who receives disability benefits, or to grandparents living on Social Security retirement who are raising their grandchildren. So, my friends, should there be a work requirement for individuals or families to receive the child tax credit? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below.
As I was saying last week, one of the most effective things that the President of the United States can do to lower costs for Georgians and to help close the racial wealth gap is to cancel student debt. This would have a transformative change on young Americans across the country, freeing an entire generation from this crushing economic burden of student debt. I know a little about student loans I borrowed in order to make it through college, first college graduate in my family, but it was a different time. I must admit, over 30 years ago. Our kids now are graduating and they have a mortgage before they have a mortgage. Secretary Yellen, the average Georgian with student debt has to pay $277 per month. Without that monthly burden, would it be easier for Georgia borrowers to save for a down payment, say, on their first home?
Sure. Senator, I agree that student debt is a substantial burden to many people, especially those who end up with low incomes or have gone to colleges or for-profit institutions that actually haven't either not completed their degrees or haven't found themselves with enhanced skills that enable them to do well in the job market, and it makes it hard to buy a house.
Absolutely. And a lot of folks who are under the load of this crushing debt actually don't have a degree.
Yes, a lot of people.
Well, my wonderful friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so much for joining me here today. I greatly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos daily. Please note that I'll be announcing a winner of tomorrow's $75 Walmart gift card giveaway. To enter my giveaway, friends, simply click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a wonderful and blessed Tuesday.